Oh, you weren't even recording.
Really?
Yeah. Not gonna do that. No. Oh.
I guess that's probably a good thing.
Yeah, so then I wouldn't be in it.
Well, not just that, but neither would I. That was so dumb of me. I thought I was taking it the whole time. Hug the rail again, Louise.
Yeah.
Oh. So cute.
Oh no!
He's hopping. He's double dutching it. Oh, now he's being lazy.
He's being all prepper.
Or attack mode.
Wow. You proud of yourself?
Oh, it was so cute seeing his paws wrapped around the rail. I wish he would do it again. Poor Thor, he's probably watching this.
Louis' claws are getting all dull. His claws are getting dull.
They don't get dull here.
I mean, they can, depending on what they
scrape. That's why they scrape them against all that. They make sure their claws stay sharp.
All I know is like his claws aren't that sharp right now because he keeps climbing and it doesn't hurt.
He doesn't even have them all the way out. He's just using his paw. That's why that's happening.
Just freaks out. Don't eat it. You're giving yourself a grass mustache. Okay, I'm gonna end it.
That's a good